Introducing the TPowr prosumer chimney sweeping system, developed by industry-leading manufacturer A.W. Perkins. The TPowr system is the top-rated chimney power sweeping system, constructed of high-quality components for fantastic results. It is the easiest to use, assemble, and disassemble. It utilizes 3 patented features, including a Snag Less design and TwinFlat connectors. The TwinFlat feature on the drill adapter and rods allows for efficient transfer of power from the drill to the whip head. Eliminate frustration with competing products. TPowr is the only chimney sweeping system that doesn't require any tools to disconnect rods or assemble whip head. The patented Snag Less feature on the rods and whip head reduces the occurrence of the system being caught on protrusions or sharp edges within the chimney. The system comes with 2 different strain lengths to accommodate chimney flue dimensions from 5 inches round to 16 inches square. Whip head assembly is quick and simple, requiring no tools. TPowr systems are sold as 15-foot, 24-foot, and 30-foot kits. Additional 3-foot rods and further information are available at rodtechusa.com.